I'm Angus Campbell from Harcourt's Adelaide Hills. We're at Bird in Hand Winery. This is the place to be. But why is it the place to live? I've got Jared here to tell me all about it from Bird in Hand.
I think one of the best things about Woodside and this particular area of the Adelaide Hills is you've got some world-class cellar doors like us here at Bird in Hand.
Yep.
And you've got some amazing scenery and it's a beautiful place to live.
It really is. Hey, I've got a great property to show you. Let's get over there and have a look. Cheers.
Cheers.
So here we are at Wooddale. Let's catch up with the owner. Tom, what do you love about this property?
I love the serenity of it. It's very quiet, very peaceful, great neighbours. I love the lifestyle it gives us, self-sufficient and fruit and veg. It's just a great place to live.
And what about inside? What about the actual house itself?
Great views, lots of light, lots of windows, yeah, great living areas, great aspect.
Well, thanks for having us today. All the best of luck with the sale.
Thank you very much.